Alright guys, I'm doing a quick video to open the second NBA Top Shot pack that I've purchased. It was a pre-order base set Series 2 release 24. It should have 3 moments in it. I have no idea what I'm going to get, and hopefully we'll get something good. So let's open it up. Here we go. This is the pre-order base set Series 2 release 24. So I'm going to open my pack. Maybe I should turn up my volume a little bit. Open the pack. Here we go. Cool animation. We have 3. I usually like to go to the end and work my way back. So here we'll reveal this one first. All right. Whoa, Golden State. Who's it going to be? Oh, Damion Lee. This is Curry's cousin, I believe. Ooh, nice three-pointer. Very nice. There we go. It's a game that Golden State won from last year. Let's see the info here. Okay, we can go back. Okay, this is the second one. Let's see what team it is. Okay, it's the Hornets. Graham. Okay, not sure I know who this is. Pretty good move. Against the Bulls. Nice. They lost that game though. Okay. So, Devonte. Okay, last one. Here we go. Whoa. Nice steal. Ooh, a block. Oh, I thought it was the steal was the moment, but it's actually the block. Nice block. Very cool. Okay, well, that was it. Oh, this one had a Top Shop badge. Okay, so, well, like in the comments to tell me what you think about my pack. I don't think I did too well, but it was still fun to open, and I will be opening another pack very shortly. See you soon.